Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel PyGirl. In today's video we will see how we can connect ESP01 Relay with Alexa. If you ever wanted to voice command your devices, you are in the right place. Let's get started. Now before we jump into the code, let me walk through the steps on connecting ESP01 with Alexa. So first we will open our Chrome browser and then search for Sinric Pro. So just click on the first link and you will have to log in and provide all your credentials before you log in into this, like email ID and password. Okay, here I have already created few devices for my previous codes. Now let's add devices. Click on add device and provide the device name and description. So you'll have to keep it as it is and just click on next. So click again next, and energy usage we will keep it as it is. And once we are done with that, we will just click on devices and then we will create the code. So here no coding is required. You just need to select the device which you have created. I'll just click on fan, and GPIO pins you will have to mention over here. Just mention it with 0, which we are going to connect with this 0 GPIO pin. After that we are going to provide our Wi-Fi name. Okay, so here I'll provide my Wi-Fi name to get it connected. So there is 0 coding required over here. You can download it from here. Just click on download and you have already downloaded your code. So let's open the main file and we will code it. So once we open our main file, here our code has pre-built, and then we are going to upload the same code with some connection. So let's dive into the connections first. So here we need two components. One is FTDI programmer and ESP01. So here you can see the connection on connecting FTDI programmer with ESP01. So here you'll have to short for VCC connection as well as ground connection. So please make the proper connection as shown in the picture, and then we will move forward to the next steps. So once you are done with the connection, just click on upload button and then just upload it. So here there is no need of doing any changes in the program since the code is pre-built by the Sinric Pro itself, and it will take some time to get uploaded, and let's wait for few seconds until it uploads. So make sure the GPIO 0 is connected to the ground while uploading the code. So here you can see the code has started uploading already, and after this we will just click and see if it is connected to the Sinric Pro or not. The red and blue light indicates that there is a data transfer happening with the ESP01, and once the code is completely uploaded, then we can just remove it and we are all set to test the code. Okay, so before that we will just start it. So once the code is uploaded, we will have to remove our FTDI programmer and we will remove all the jumper wires and then directly connect it to our relay ESP01. So here it is a pre-built relay with ESP01. Just connect it, and now what we will do is just give supply towards it. So here I'm going to give a plus 5 volts supply via my Arduino Nano and then try to run it. So here you see there is 2 red lights glowing and it is already connected to a power supply. If we see a blue light, then it is connected to the Wi-Fi, which will take few seconds before it get connected. So it usually takes some seconds before it gets connected, but I will provide a code below in the description which takes the lesser time to get connected with Bluetooth, Wi-Fi. See, as you can see, the light blue light is glowing. It means we can do on off of light or fan. So here I'm using Sinric Pro to test it. You can use any voice command control as in Alexa to check if it is working or not. So it's such a small and simple procedure which works perfectly fine. And there you have it. We have successfully connected ESP01 Relay to Alexa or Sinric Pro. Now you can control it with Alexa effortlessly. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and also hit the subscribe button for more exciting projects. Stay tuned for our next adventure. Until then, happy coding. Thank you.